Someone has read the book. Point zero is a psychological point. It is not a physical location. It is a psychological point which, for clarity, does not depend on having nothing, although sometimes you actually have nothing at point zero. You could be psychologically at point zero when you have what looks like everything. But it really is the point where the juice of life is gone. Okay, and more life is calling on the other side, but then there's a whole lot of barriers that you have in your mind that stop you from going there. So you're at this point. There's a mountain to climb, but you haven't started climbing it. It does not mean you're at the foot of the mountain. It could be the 10th peak, but there you are, and something is ahead that needs to be conquered, and you just can't get yourself to mass up, the energy, the courage, the drive to go for it. You are at point zero, and that's a critical point, because if you don't conquer point zero, then either of two things happen. You'll try to stagnate, which is practically impossible in life. So the alternative that happens is then you regress, so that then you have a bit more climbing to do again back to the same point. So point zero is a psychological point where you need to start moving, but you haven't started yet. So when you get there, when you recognize that point is a sweet point, because something is beckoning on the other side, and we must, psychologically win the war. Okay, and the psychological war you're fighting here is one of fear, which is basically telling you something unfamiliar, something unknown is in the future, and urging you to therefore just stay where you are because it is safer, it's known, everything, the stimuli is familiar. So point zero, critical point in the development of any human being. Every time you get there, just know growth is about to begin.